Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel My Korean View. So this time I'm thinking of doing something different from my previous videos. I'm making per episode reviews and dramas. So let's start with this beautiful drama When I Was the Prettiest. So this drama is starring Jisoo, Im So Hyang and Ha Seok Jin. Let's first talk about Jisoo. Jisoo is one of my favorite actor. I love him so much, but he never gets the girl in drama, which used to make me very sad. But in his very last drama, My First Love, he finally got the girl, which finally broke his curse of second lead, and we are rooting for him to get the girl in this drama too. We have also seen him in many other famous Korean dramas as second lead, such as Strong Woman Do Bong Soon, Doctor Crush, and one of my very favorite Korean dramas, Scarlet Heart. Though he was not a second lead in that drama, but I loved his character. Apart from this, he also did a cameo in Weightlifting Parry Kim Bok-joo and many more. Now let's talk about our female lead, Im So Hyun. She is very famous for her role from ID Gangnam Beauty and Graceful Family. Apart from this, she also acted in Criminal Mind, Blow Breeze and Lovers in Bloom. She also won award for Excellent Actress from drama Lovers in Bloom. And we have seen Ha Seok Jin in Crash Landing, Your House Helper, A Poem a Day and many more. Im So Hyang plays the character of Oh Ye Ji, a student teacher. Jisoo plays the character of So Hwan, a architect student. Ha Seok Jin plays the character of So Jin, a race car driver and elder brother of So Hwan. In short, this drama is about Oh Ye Ji, a ceramic artist who dreams of finding ordinary happiness, but life throws a twist when she falls in love with two brothers, So Hwan and So Jin. That's interesting. So I have watched first, second, third episode of this drama and I find it very interesting. I mean, two brothers chasing one girl and our main lead Jisoo is a student and female lead Im So Hyang is his teacher. I don't know about you guys, but I found it very interesting. So the first episode begins in rainy day. Jisoo on his way to school when he sees a girl going in same direction without an umbrella with a big leaf on her head, and the moment he sees her, he falls in love with her. Yep, it is the case of love at first sight. And later on, he finds out that she is his new teacher teaching art in his class. Story moves ahead and showed So Hwan's family. So Hwan's father is a very famous potter and well known for his art. So Hwan's mother doesn't live with them, she lives apart from them in Seoul to handle their business. We don't know the exact reason why she lives in Seoul to handle their business yet. We will get to know that in upcoming episode. And then there is the entry of So Hwan's big brother, So Jin. He just arrived after completing his military service and he is a car racer by profession. Then we can see Im So Hyang receiving DMs from her ex-boyfriend to meet him for the last time. She agrees and goes to meet him. She is seen to get drunk on her way back to home. Meanwhile, So Hwan has seen in that neighborhood where he had visited to give kimchi to his mom. He gives her shelter for a night at his female friend's place. Because of such turn of events, their relationship transformed from a mere student-teacher relationship to a special bond. They have started developing deep affection and admiration for each other. After some days, because of some outdated work from school, she goes to meet So Hwan's father. While exploring his workshop, she meets So Jin, So Hwan's elder brother, who also happens to fall in love with her the moment he sees her. The episode ends when So Jin asks So Hwan that is he having any feeling for that teacher. He denies that he has feeling for her, and then he ends up asking that is it okay to him if he dates her. And our very own So Hwan left baffled and speechless.